Industrial OEMs are no strangers to deployment complexities. Managing IoT deployments across diverse global touchpoints, such as manufacturing facilities, corporate office, distributors, and direct customers, is not a small task. From fragmented data centers across continents to inconsistent network connectivity, and from varying compliance regulations to the sheer challenge of scaling, OEMs are challenged with delivering solutions across multiple customer segments. From smaller SaaS deployments to large-scale SaaS deployments for top-tier customers, whether on-premise, private, or public cloud. Choosing the right platform makes all the difference. For instance, small-scale businesses would need a flexible solution with pay-per-use model, and large-scale customers would seek dedicated standalone instances such as APM deployments for the smart equipment as per the corporate IT policies. Flex83, an application enablement platform, is designed to overcome global IoT deployment complexities. It provides a unified platform with middleware to develop customized IoT solutions that integrate data, streamline operations, and have scalability for millions of devices. With Flex83, OEMs can seamlessly manage deployments that span from public cloud to private data centers to edge devices and all the way to deep edge. With its cloud-agnostic microservices-based architecture, Flex83 helps manage Greenfield and Brownfield deployments, ensuring smooth integration with legacy systems while also supporting new infrastructure. From SaaS solutions to geo-specific deployments, Flex83 provides a consistent, reliable platform for all scenarios. Flex83 helps OEMs overcome technological barriers with the new IoT solution development and deployment paradigm. By choosing Flex83, OEMs can build not just a custom solution, but one that drives business transformation, reducing inefficiencies, accelerating time to market, and enabling new business opportunities. Turn deployment complexities into opportunities, scale globally, stay compliant, and transform your IoT vision into reality with Flex83. Optimize deployments and unlock new revenue streams. Ensure a competitive edge and build stronger customer relationships with Flex83, the all-in-one servitization platform.